G'day, this is Shane from SEQ Campers, and behind me I've got the Stockman Rover. So this guy here, our last breakaway, we were able to take the Stockman Rover away for a camping trip out into Western Queensland. Now we had it for a few days, so we're still loaded up from that trip. Now the big door here at the back, we've just pulled over for a bit of lunch, and it was really easy. We were able to take the big whale tails, turn them sideways, and then unlock, and we've got a great big door here at the back. So we made lunch today at the picnic table in the national park here, and we were able to do that on this back section under cover, and we actually even had the barbecue just set up here as a 45, which is really good. But on our big trip away, we just had an opportunity that we were no barbecue set up here. We had the little table down, we had a table on the side, and all our cooking was kind of done out here, and this became the pantry. We had a couple of boxes here, and because we had a couple of little kids with us, putting the cereal, putting their food here and having it handy, easy for them was a great way. We didn't have to worry about them. We could sit and enjoy, and they knew that most of the stuff could be put here, or anything we did end up using could easily be stored here, put out of the way, and keep away from the animals. It was great also to hang a rubbish bag out here, keep it away from this kitchen, or a rubbish bag out the front, out near the bikes out there, and that was really good, just again, keeping any of the bugs or critters that was all away from our prep area. So we had a great big prep area here. Using that as a bit of an outside storage freed up this space, but can I give you one of my pro tips here on the Rover? Now, I got some stuff out of my cupboard. We've set up some boxes, easy to slide, easy to use boxes, labeled with pantry, veggies, very important, coffee, and other dishes. We use this big drawer with a tub full of our dishes and a cutlery drawer in there. But what we wanted to do, this is my tip that I learned, was before I start setting up things in here, please make sure we lift this guy up and I pull my plug out, get my dust plug out of the sink, and run my little hose here out into my bucket. Do that before I start loading up the countertop. So I'll put this back here, water pump, sink. You'll see all of that there. We've got a great little sliding one here. First aid, drinks and cups are really easy, and we kept a fair bit of things there. We dropped down the table. That was great for lights, cups, but also torches at night, and some of our bug spray or sunscreen. So we always knew it was out, and we got them all lathered up at night or all lathered up during the day. That was how we used our tables here on the Stockman Rover